The water was clean, and the injury was not. High-pressure water can cut flesh the same way it strips paint, and it does it faster than people expect. The donkey professor watches a worker hold a water jet lance during cleaning, confident because it is only water, and water feels familiar. The nozzle kicks, the jet sweeps, and one small loss of control turns the stream into a blade. Boots, gloves, and thick fabric give comfort. But comfort is not proof of protection. The professor freezes the lesson and explains the hidden danger. Injection injuries and deep tissue damage can happen even when the outer wound looks small. Water enters where it should not. Bacteria follow. Swelling builds. And the true injury appears later, when time has already been wasted. He points to the failure chain. Inadequate training, poor stance, wrong nozzle control, bad trigger discipline, poor exclusion zones, and PPE treated as a force field instead of a last layer. Then he gives the controls. Correct equipment rating, dead man triggers, stable footing, two-hand control, clear work area, and strict rules for never pointing the jet at any body part, even for a second. He adds the medical rule. If a high-pressure jet contacts skin, treat it as serious immediately, even if it looks minor. The donkey professor leaves one truth that changes behavior. Water is not safe when it is pressurized into a cutting tool. Type this in the comments. Safety first. Subscribe to join the few who seek truth. Share this with a warrior who